Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a whack-a-mole game in Scratch. The cat will be still here for a test. Rename the cat Mole and delete costume 2. So, let's add this code. When the green flag is clicked, forever, repeat 3, picture of myself, and change X by 50. Try. Oh, no. So, when set X, change X by 100, then no. So, this cat will be in X position negative 155.95. There. But there's this extra code. And after that, set X to negative 155 and repeat 3. Then add another repeat, and instead of change X, change Y by 50. Then set Y there. But just set it to negative 50 there. So change Y by negative 100. Then it did so complicated, then change Y by negative 100. Change X by 100. Set. Negative 10, then we move over here, then set X to 155, and or set Y to negative 5. Change X by negative 100. Let's try. So, just drag them all over here into X 90, Y 92. And drag the string as well. X position over here. There. So the original Mole sprite will be over here. Or negative 78, Y 84. So this string drags out. Then set X to 70. No, negative 70. And then over here. Or set x to -70. Change y by -100. And -71. And just try. Go. But if it's complicated, then change x by -10 until setting the x to set x to -71 over here. Change y by -1. Change y by -100 over there. But there's still an extra mode, so when the green flag is clicked, drag the show block and at the bottom, a hide block. So, let's get started. Now, delete the cat picture, then replace it into a hole. There. Set it to white, then make it this. Make a oval like this here, then place it in the center. So the mole will show there. Then let's add 3 costumes. So this is the mole costume. Hold over here to make a line, and over here to make another line. Then make this lift higher. Then go to the paintbrush, then set the brightness to 0, and 5, 4. Then add a mole. First, set the brightness to 100. Get the orange color, set it more dark, and fill it. But if it doesn't work, use the bitmap fill. There. Convert it to vector. Then make the eyes of the mole. Then copy paste it. Then drag it over here. Make a mouth. Then duplicate it and erase the eyes and mouth. Just make it a little expression. Make one like this. Then add some detail and drag a when we start as a clone block. Then it show. Then there. Then add a new sprite called the hammer. Now it's the moment we're waiting for. The hammer. I'll drag the hammer into the center of the stage and get a block and set its brightness to black and make it like this. Then rotate it. Then stick it to the hammer. Then drag a event when green flag clicked a forever loop. Then a if then, mouse down, then turn 30 degrees to the right. Then we'll wait for 0.5 seconds. Then we'll turn 30 degrees to the left. Next one is to whack the mouse, but first it needs to go to the mouse pointer. Boom, boom. But when I start as clone, switch costume to costume 2. The mole. There. Oh yes, there's some moles. And drag a forever loop. Drag a wait. Then click random 1 to 10 seconds. Then switch costume to costume 2. But when you start as a clone, set it to 1 and wait. Pick random 1 to 5 seconds. Then switch costume to costume 1, the empty hole. Drag another when I start as a clone. Then drag a forever loop. Drag an if, and then 2 ends. Touching sprite 1, the hammer. But first we have to rename it to hammer. And mouse down and drag an equal block and set it to 2. Over here, costume number equals 2 and switch costume to costume 3. Wait 1 second, then switch costume to costume 1, the empty hole. Let's play the game now and see. Okay. Oh yes, the game is working perfectly. Oh, but if you want to make the hammer smaller, you can use the size. Let's go to costume editor. Then make the hammer as small what you want. Make sure it's not too small or it can hit the mold. Let's make it over in the center and wow. Ooh, yes. Wow, and that's how to make a whack-a-mole game. But the last thing to add is, oh, it's nice, music. Drag a when green flag click forever, then a play sound until done. It's just playing some nonsense music. Just go to choose a sound, click loops, and let's just use this, chill. Then play sound, then set pop to chill. Oh yes. Then we can also add a nice backdrop. Let's add a greenish backdrop. Set the color to green, set outlines to 0, then make it fill the entire backdrop, and let's have a title. Whack a mole. And let's add a new variable called score for the mole. Add a click variables, then delete the my variable. Add a new variable called score. Then set score to 0 when you start as a clone, and when it's touching hammer, change score by 1. Oh, the game back a whole game. Then lastly, drag a set score to score. So to reset the score, what else? Oh yes, have fun whacking moles. Lastly, let's name this game Whack a Mole. And done. That's how to make a whack-a-mole game in Scratch. Bye bye and Scratch on.